Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Joliyoou Halloween decorations outdoor. There are features include spine-chilling appearance. This haunting girl ghost features glowing yellow eyes, thick braids, and a flowing white skirt as she sits eerily on a swing. Her life-size silhouette, 15.7-inch, length, 5.9-inch, width, 31.5-inch, height, creates a disturbingly realistic presence, instantly amplifying the terror in any setting. Slight shaping upon unpacking enhances her creepy posture for maximum fright. Sound activated. Easily triggered by loud noises, claps and screams, this highly sensitive prop springs to life. Her eyes glow an intense yellow while emitting bone-chilling creepy sounds, whispers and cries that echo unnervingly. This sudden burst of light and sound delivers a powerful jump scare, perfect for startling passers-by. Ready-to-hang convenience. Designed for instant spooky impact. Simply remove her from the box, make a quick shape adjustment, and hang her immediately using the top loop. No complex assembly needed. Instantly decorate doors, windows, trees, porches, ceilings, or balconies, both indoors and outdoors. Versatile Halloween atmosphere. The ultimate prop for creating immersive Halloween terror. Ideal for haunted houses, horror feasts, thrilling parties, theme carnivals, or even cemetery scenes. Hang her anywhere, home decor, front yards, hallways, to deliver a super horrifying touch that elevates any spooky event or gathering. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.